Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time on a FlashFish portable battery generator. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this product. Now I've done reviews of little portable battery generators in the past, so they wanted me to test and review theirs. Now this is also a lithium generator. Does provide AC and DC, and it's pure sine wave, so that's good for sensitive electronics, so you're not going to have any issues. And so now we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the box. As you can see, it is a pretty good sized box. Now it has some safety features here that are built into this unit, as well as overpowering and draining it too low. It'll automatically protect itself with that. Also supports the solar powered panels, so you can recharge it with using the sun rays. Again, there's the other side, top of the box. And the top of the box actually shows you the name brand here. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty packed in here, so we're going to go ahead and start with the small stuff. And it looks like it comes with a little USB LED light. Comes with a cigarette charger, so you can charge it on the go. Also comes with a cigarette lighter socket. Plug in there, run some other stuff on it. Let's get this other box out of here. And this is the wall charger. Yeah. 15 volts, 2.5 amps, so it's going to charge it pretty quickly. And let's see what's in here. Try to get this out of here without knocking my camera over. Pretty good size unit, so we'll go ahead and lift it out of here. Looks like it's got a handle. Now we're going to go ahead and take that off there. I show you here that was also in the box. Kind of tells you a little bit more about them. They want to hear from you, see how you like their product. That's nice. Also, you get a user manual. And I looked it over previously. It is in Chinese, but no worries, in the back of the manual it is in English. Kind of tell you a little bit about there, and it's pretty detailed. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at this generator. Yeah. Now this here, the orange color, is actually has a rubber texture to it. High impact plastic. Nice carrying handle on there. Got some rubber feet here on the bottom. That's nice. Got some information here on the top. Let you guys read that. Alright. So now we're going to go over the front of the panel. I'll show this to you. Going to zoom the camera in here a little bit You guys can see it a little bit better. Now here's the LCD screen here. Also has the DC power button. Now it also has these outputs here for the accessories. It's got two 3.0 USB outputs, which is really nice so that your phones will charge at a faster rate. Also has a regular 2.4 amp USB charger, so that's going to be nice. Total of 3, so that comes in really handy. Now right offhand there's some type of a protection seal on here, so we'll take this off. Looks a little bit better. Now we're going to go ahead and turn over the unit. Here's the charging port here to charge it. You got a toggle switch here, turn it on and off, and you've got two AC plug outlets, and that's going to help you obtain your AC power up small device, fans, lights. Now be advised that this unit here will not power like a refrigerator or anything like that, or a microwave, so try not to get that confused. This will run, you know, several lamps, a fan, smaller items that you would need. Even if you're camping, this is going to power up pretty much anything you need. Even a small little tiny igloo type refrigerator, this will power up. I've used it on my previous generators and it did real well. Now this also does have a fan here, so when you're really pulling the load on there, it helps keep things cool inside. So you also want to make sure that you don't get this anywhere near a water source, rain, and etc. So always make sure you keep this unit dry as can be. So this feels really good. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. See how it does here. We got a nice display there. We got AC output now. And if we push this button here, now it's on DC and AC. AC, AC and DC. So that's nice. That means that the AC units will also run simultaneously with the USB side, which is really impressive. And that's a pretty good, nice bright screen on there, easy to read, and it's a large, so you'll be able to see your battery level from quite a distance away. So that's really nice. Display is nice and bright, so that'll really help you see your battery level. Now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to try these USB ports out and see if they kick out the double rated speed. And we're bringing it up now, and there it is. Try to bring my phone up here. You can see the double lightning bolts in there. Went off real fast there. You can see the double lightning bolts there, so that is kicking out the rapid charging ability there. So we're going to try the other one. And again, there's the double charging electric light bolts there. So we're going to try the last one, and you'll see that it's a single lightning bolt. So it's definitely nice, big plus to have those rapid charging ports. Well, you can get your stuff done, charged up in a hurry. You have two devices, hurry up and rapidly charge them. So that's a big plus. Okay, so now we're going to show you what happens when you're charging the unit. We're going to go ahead and plug this in here now. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the DC. And of course, you're simply going to plug this in. And we'll turn on the power supply. And that's what it does when it's charging. Now the further down it goes of usage, of course, going to be blinking a little bit more. But first time I've ever charged it, it was pretty much fully charged when I got it. So that's really nice. Comes right out of the box ready to use. So now we're going to go ahead and turn that off. I'll charge it more later. Now we're going to go ahead, now that we've got the AC off, if you just want the DC, you now can just push the button for DC operation. You don't have to run them both at the same time. The maximum AC draw that you can pull from this is 150 watts. So you want to keep it under that. Make sure that your appliances, small appliances that is, they don't go above that. Now this does have protection built into it, so it's going to help you there. So as far as build quality, it feels pretty rugged. Feels like a pretty heavy unit. It's got a nice handle on this. Some of the other ones that I've tested and reviewed has two thin ones. They're a little bit thin, but this one here feels really nice and rugged. I'm not seeing any issues with the build quality. Of course, I'm going to try out this little LED light that it came with. And of course, get a little bit better view of that. So if you want to use that for emergency uses, set that on its side, read with that. It's actually pretty bright. Say probably about 50 lumens, and that's white lights, floodlight. That's nice that they offer that as well. Then of course we also have a cigarette lighter adapter, so you're just simply going to plug it in any one of these ports, and you can plug in your device, whether it be another USB charger or something you want to use that you use in your vehicle and you want to use it on the road, out in the, on the beach, camping. You've got it right here. So that's pretty nice to be able to have that as well. Alright, so now we're going to look here. This is the car charger. Of course, you're going to use the same input that you use for the wall charger for this. Plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you've got charging abilities right there on the spot. Okay, so final thoughts on this. I've been using it now for quite a while, along with some of these other ones that I've also done reviews on. Been really helpful, especially during travel. Done a lot of traveling. This here did a phenomenal job. I was able to run my laptop on it, do some editing even away from home. Also being able to charge any USB device while I was on the road has been amazing. Now we'll take a look at the video coming to my channel on this power supply as well. Generator, also has the USBs, also fan driven as well. This one was really a nice unit. Just kind of give you an idea. And the uniqueness on this is that this is only a size of a desktop hard drive, so it's not that big at all. Super light, and I was impressed with this also. So look for the review in the future on that one. But back to the FlashFish, really enjoyed it. Ran a lot of things. Also did some testing recently. Was able to run my little DJ power speakers, and it did well. It ran both of them. I got a slot in both, and cranked it up pretty loud actually. So they require AC power. So this was able to do it without any issues. So this is a very nice battery generator. Really had a lot of fun working with this. Took me a little more time than usual, but I was able to get this, kind of compare it to my previous ones, as well as a smaller one that I had on me, and I really prefer this one, not only for the fact easy to carry, but has more than enough power to run just about anything on the road. Now I want to thank FlashFish for sending me this battery generator. to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, especially after seeing my review of it, go ahead and look down in the description of my video. There'll be a link to their Amazon store, and that will help you get it. If you're a Prime member, you'll get it a lot quicker. I am also working on a discount code. If I do get that, I'll put it in the description or update it at a later time. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these battery generators to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.